Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng affordable house and lot na malapit sa Metro Manila? Located in Imus, Cavite, merong 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. At higit sa lahat, 5,000 pesos lang to reserve and only 9,500 pesos lang per month. Wow, napakamura, di ba? Tara, pasukin natin itong bahay. Hello mga kabahay! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Leslie Lazarte, your friendly real estate broker. Today, I'm going to show you this very beautiful and very affordable 3-story house and lot here in the heart of Imus, Cavite. This house and lot is available through Pag-ibig Financing for as low as 9,500 pesos per month. Diba? Napakamura. Not only that, this house and lot has a provision for 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and this wide 1-car garage. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara, pasukin natin itong Model 94 here in 3-lane residences in Bukandala, Imus, Cavite. Welcome to Model 94 here in 3-lane residences in Bukandala, Imus, Cavite. So this beautiful 3-story house and lot is a pre-selling. Yan, 2 to 3 years ang turnover natin. And this complete finish on the exterior, yan, complete tayo sa labas. And ang turnover natin is already like this. This Model 94 here in 3-lane residences has a lot area of 52 square meters. So yung lot area po ninyo is from here to here. So townhouse tayo. At meron itong floor area na 94 square meters. Yan na po yung total ng 3-story. So, meron itong provision for 3 to 4 bedrooms, may 3 toilet and bath, and may 1 carport. Meron din pong itong service area sa likod. So, pagpasok po ninyo, ang inyong carport is sementado. Yan na po yung ating turnover, no? At meron na rin tayong mga bakod. So, kasama po yung bakod natin. House comes in fully painted finish on the exterior. So, sa labas, fully painted tayo. So, pagpasok natin, steel deck yung ating front porch. So, that's a sample of the steel deck finish of the front porch. And our windows are aluminum powder-coated sliding windows. Ayan. The house is bare finish. Yung main door po natin, it's painted metal steel door. Ayan. Bakal po yung ating main door. So, 3-story tayo, 94 square meter yung ating floor area, at napakaganda dahil napakalapit lang po natin sa Metro Manila. We are just 30 minutes away from Metro Manila dahil nasa Imus lang tayo. Again, yan yung carport mo para may idea ka. At maganda siya dahil 3 to 4 bedrooms ang kasya. So, ito yung magiging living area mo, and this will be your dining and kitchen. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura ng ground floor. Smooth cement yung ating flooring. At yung ating mga pader ay may pintura na. So, painted white finish yung ating wall sa loob ng bahay. And painted steel deck finish din tayo for the ceiling. Yung mga outlet natin, yung mga ilaw, mga socket, kasama na rin po yan. Nakaabang na po yan. Okay? So, yung ating kitchen, it's just basic. Yan. So, ang kagandahan ng basic, makakapag-design ka talaga ng kitchen na gusto mo. So, painted kitchen countertop tayo, then may stainless sink, and may faucet, then open tayo sa ibaba. Wala tayong cabinet na kasama. So, may circuit breaker na kasama. Yan yung circuit breaker natin. And yan po yung itsura ng living area. So, dyan tayo pumasok. And malalaki yung bintana natin na sliding window. So, at the back, meron tayong provision for laundry and service area. So, hanggang dito, kapag inner unit ka, hanggang dito yung property line po ninyo. Ayan po yung itsura ng magiging laundry area ninyo. Ayan. Pakita ko doon sa taas. Yan. So, 3-story tayo, no? Guys, napakamura na po nito at mabilis ma-sold out to sa Imus. Kaya, kung kayo interesado, schedule na kagad kayo ng tripping bago kayo maubusan. Alright? So, we have 3 toilet and bath for each floor. Bawat floor may toilet and bath. Ngayon, ang turnover natin is bare. Wala tayong tiles, wala rin po tayong mga tawag ng pintura, no? Pero meron tong toilet bowl, saka sink. Yan, meron po ito. Ikakabit lang po yan kapag ito turnover na. So, bare finish tayo for the toilet. Then, akitin natin yung itaas. So, yung ating hagdanan, yan, sementado yung ating hagdanan. Yun ang maganda dahil lifetime siya. And then, yung ating mga hawakan is painted metal finish, yung ating stair hand railings. So, let's go on the second floor. Ito yung sukat ng slab ng second floor. Yan, makapal yung slab natin, no? Very sturdy. At pag-akyat mo sa second floor, wow! Look at that! Though this is the second floor, kasya dito yung 2 kwarto. Ang lapad po ng mga kwarto natin, magiging sukat nyo, di ba? Same finish, smooth cement on the flooring. We have outlets, nakaabang na yung mga outlet, malalaki yung mga bintana. At may steel deck tayo na nakaabang. Ayan. So, yan po yung hagdanan dyan ako galing. Ipakita ko ulit yung sukat ng buong space sa second floor. No? Ang ganda. So this corner lot or end lot is the dressed up unit for Model 94 here in 3-lane residences. So kapag end unit or corner lot ang kinuha nyo, you still have this space over here. Yan. So ang laki pa ng space po ninyo. Pwede nyo palagyan to ng gate after turnover. So leveled soil lang po yung turnover natin. Very beautiful. Ang ganda po ng turnover ng kulay. No? I like the color sa labas. Maaliwalas tingnan. And pasukin natin yung dressed up ng bahay. Yan. So again, steel door tayo. Then sliding windows. Wow, look at that. So pretty, 'di ba? Ang ganda. So sa pagde-design niyo na lang talaga, no? Ang kagandahan talaga ng bare finish is that you can have the freedom to design your own space. Look at the tiles, 'di ba? Bagay na bagay sa theme ng bahay. So, mura siya for only 9,500. Imus Cavite area, not bad. So, this will be your living area. Ito yung magiging dining mo and your kitchen. Nirenovate niya yung location ng kitchen. Pakita ko ulit kung saan ako galing. Yan, pwede mo itong gawing living area instead na dining. Yan, and you can mount your TV over here. Pwede mo actually ipasarado to gawing storage, no? It's up to you. It's up to the buyer really. And you can put here yung mga shelves. And the kitchen is nice, diba? Napa-improve niya talaga. May space talaga siya. Check natin yung likod. So, allowed naman yung extension sa likod if you want to extend the house. And kapag corner and lot nga, malaki pa yung space sa gilid. So, ang hindi lang po allowed dito is baguhin yung kulay sa labas ng bahay. So, meron tayong restriction for that. So, since bare lang yung ating toilet, ito po yung tsura ng toilet kapag nalagyan na siya ng gamit. So, malaki naman din siya. So, I like the fact na bawat level ng bahay mayroong toilet, no? May provision for toilet. May mga ano tayo. May mga plumbings na nakaabang na. Ipapa-finish mo lang talaga. Let's check out the second floor. So, napakaganda po ng second floor. Ito ang ginawa niya. Ginawa niya lang 1 bedroom. So, this is the bedroom. Yan, diba? Ang ganda. So, pretty ng layout. I like the color combination. Guys, kayang-kaya niyong gayahin to, diba? You can even improve this. Kung magaling kayo mag-interior, may cabinet siya, oh. Bongga, di ba? Tapos may mini office ka pa. So, ang ganda. And nilagyan niya ng partition dito and you still have this wide family area, di ba? That you can bond with your family. Pag may mga bisita ka, caring-carry yan. Then you still have another toilet and bath on the second floor. Yan, papa-remodel mo na lang talaga kasi bare lang talaga yung toilet natin, guys. Pero mura na siya, guys, for the location of Imus, not bad. And finally, let's check out the master's bedroom on the 3rd floor. Wow! So this is the master's bedroom. Can you see that? It's very beautiful. Diba, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Yan. At meron din siyang cabinet. Meron pa siyang cabinet dito. For Imus Cavite 9,500, this is the most affordable house and lot that you can get in Imus area. So, mag-inquire na kayo, guys, before ma-sold out. Mabilis ma-sold out kapag Imus. So, tripping na po tayo. Through Pag-ibig lang po ito. For 30 years to pay, I think it's about 21,000 per month. So, kung married kayo, pwede po kayo mag-combine. And this is bedroom number 3. Number 2. Number 2 pala. Yan. So, may cabinet din siya. Yan. So, I hope you guys like this quick house tour video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.